It's disgusting. I hate it.
Hi, this is KSmash and welcome to a video. Today we have some more interesting foods to try. And okay, so this one right here is Korean and it says yogurt jelly. I have no clue. I don't like yogurt that much, so I don't know what it's gonna taste like. Here we have, this is Mexican and it says Baba Aloo crack ups. I don't know what it is. Baba Aloo kind of sounds like bubble gum, so we'll see what that is. These, there's no English on it, and I'm guessing here are grapes and here's chocolate. I'm guessing they're grape candies covered in chocolate. That's what I'm guessing. And worst one of all, these are little candies they're little pineapple chewies and have like spice on them. This is the worst one and we're doing it last. So here is the yogurt jellies. It's good that if you like them and you want to eat some for later, there's actually like a Ziploc. It's like a Ziploc bag.
Yummy. Those actually look pretty good.
Yeah, I didn't know they would look like that. They look like bottles. So. Okay, eat it.
They're better than I thought. I thought they were gonna be all like yogurt, but I kind of like them.
I'll go last.
That's delicious. I like it. It tastes like those like vitamin gummies that you eat.
I don't taste any
really good.
yogurt.
Okay, go ahead, Clara.
It's good. I was expecting it to be like a creamy color since it's yogurt, but it's not. It's good. I'd buy it.
Okay, now. I don't really like them that much because they do taste like vitamins I always eat. And I have been eating them since I was like 5. I mean, I've been eating them for like 5 years old, so I don't really like them. So now we have the Baba Aloo crack ups. Yeah, they look exactly like Skittles. Okay, you go first this time. I want Are they bubble
They
gum?
literally taste exactly like Skittles. Wait, is this supposed to be gum?
No, I don't think so. Well, I don't know. Bubble Baloo kind of sounds like gum.
These are better than Skittles.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it gum though? No?
It's just like a Skittle.
Okay.
It's good.
Fine. So you're always picky.
They're definitely harder than Skittles. Harder to chew. Yeah, but they do taste like Skittles. They're pretty good.
They're good. I don't really like Skittles, so nothing special to me.
I'm gonna go for the yellow one. Tastes like Skittles, but I don't know yet because the yellow one tastes like banana. Personally, I don't like banana flavored candy.
Me too.
Like anything that shouldn't belong with a flavor shouldn't be one. Like banana should be by
Alright.
itself.
I agree.
Okay, now let's actually see what these actually look like because I don't even actually know what they look like. Oh, they are chocolate. Okay. So let's see if they're candies or actually real grapes because they're definitely gummy. Chocolate is good. Grape is good. It goes perfect. I think it's amazing. Okay, so let's actually see what's inside of them. So Claire, since you're tasting that, you could.
I think I need a bigger one.
Bigger
Okay,
one?
Here we go.
You could see what's inside it because you're the next taster.
I'm scared.
Why? Yeah, you could eat
Oh,
it.
there you go.
You can eat. Whoa.
I expected
Okay,
they're gonna
here
be
with the-
green inside.
That is
gross.
really cool.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Is it not amazing?
I think it is.
Yeah, I don't really like it. It tastes like a chocolate covered raisin. Yeah, I don't like it.
Oh, that is a weird texture. I can't really taste it. I mean, I don't really mind it. I guess I like it. It's just the texture that gets me sometimes. It's kind of weird.
I also think it's amazing. It's really good. It's just like crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside. It's I think it's a great plate for it, obviously. It looks good. I mean, it tastes good.
Okay, now time for definitely the worst one of all.
I feel like I'm gonna like them.
I feel like I'm gonna barf from them.
Ew. Never mind.
They also smell horrible. It's like this stuff called tahini. And there it is, one right there. That's what it is inside. Okay, these look disgusting, so I'm not going first. Claire, you go first. I'll see what her result is, and I'll see if
They
I'll
look
go
like the
last or next.
lollipops.
Yeah, those future lollipops. We have like
It's spicy.
Lucas Parzon or something.
It has a nasty texture. Look, the inside is... I don't even know how to explain it.
Can you
It's
taste,
like not crunchy, but it's not chewy.
Can you taste any pineapple?
No.
No pineapple.
I taste a little sweetness, but it doesn't taste like pineapple. I do not like these at all.
Okay.
That's all I have to say.
I'll go next, I think. Oh, look at this one. It has like no spice at all. I got the flaky one. Okay, I'm gonna take the first half of it. Is it really that spicy?
No, it's just
No,
gross.
you gotta put it all in your mouth.
It's not spicy.
As long as you
it's
eat the whole
gross.
thing, it's fine. It's like partly crunchy.
Put it in.
That is horrible.
It's so gross.
Woo!
Ooh, the big decision.
A little bit of sweetness, and it's spicy. I do not like it at all. How about you eat one?
All I can really taste is like the seasoning on the outside, but I don't taste one smidge of pineapple. I mean, they're not horrible, but they're also not good at all.
Oh, it looks like one of those. What's it called? I don't know what I'm trying to say. Kind of looks like honey. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. Ew.
Horrible.
Ew, it's disgusting. I hate it. I hate it. I just hate it. Oh my god, it's spicy and it's gross.
You don't know. Teacher said another one.
Oh, it's so gross. It's so gross. It's so gross. Never try those. Ever.
I agree.
Never. It's gross. Ew.
I just had a second.
Well, Greta was going. T just ate a second one. thank you for watching this KSmash video. Please subscribe and click the little bell icon, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye. So Farmer is going to have the last of one of these tasty little pineapple gummies.
Doesn't look very tasty. Oh, yuck.
It's really tasty.
Can I break it in half?
Nope, you have to eat the whole thing at once.
Oh.
Whole thing at once.
Is it?
It's very yummy.
Yeah, right.
Just eat it. Is it fine?
I ate the rest
I
of
don't
all
like
of
the
them.
looks of it.
It's good. That's sugar. Isn't it good?
Am I gonna get sick when you tell me what it really is?
Probably.
Oh, Kenny, what is this?
Take your hand out.
It's spice and a pineapple gummy.
Oh, that clears out things.